here. It's time for school. Ronnie, up here. Ronnie wants you come up here. Up here. Up here, Ronnie. It's right here. Look, Ronnie. Ronnie, get all the way up here. Ronnie, or no treats. Well, I'm trying to get up here, but he won't go up. So I can't take a video of him up there laying down.
Aww. He looks like he's having fun, though.
But I want him to lay down on here.
Okay, then why don't you just put the stick on there, then? See what happens.
Booyah! 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 Booyah. Let's see.
Well, he's got you to lay down on it.